Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today, I genuinely feel like I found the next legit 100x coin. And I'm not even joking. Just give me 2 minutes of your time to explain why I think this. And look, I'm going to be putting a good amount of money in this coin myself because I believe it's going to be huge. Now, the coin we are talking about is Solama. Look, we talked about Solama actually when it was all the way down here, and just pretty much a week or two later, it exploded past 100 million market cap, which is actually fantastic news for us. Now, listen, let me show you the history of what Solama does before I jump into it and before I tell you where it could possibly go. Become a sniper. Learn to make money in the foreign exchange markets and the crypto world. Remember, those that learn will earn, and the future is always green when you know what you're doing. Link in the description. So, look, every time, right, we have a rally up, we have a sell off, okay, we're here, we pretty much retest off the all-time highs, okay, pretty much. And then, sorry, the last previous all-time highs, and then we have a rally up, okay, boom, bang, you see. And then if we go down, it's actually the same thing. If I take it pretty much from the previous all-time high to over here, you can tell it starts respecting this area. And once it starts respecting this area for a while, it just starts to explode. And I believe that it's going to do the exact same thing. Genuinely, I really do believe this is the next 100x coin, because 100x from now would pretty much be around $1.3 billion. And I think that's very, very possible because we've already had an expansion to about 110 million market cap. So I would not be surprised if we get at least two more expansions out of this, especially that I believe altcoin season will be a maximum of another 10 months. And definitely within a 10-month period, we'll get two more expansions. One that's going to come sooner, and then one that's going to be somewhere mid to the later, end of the altcoin season as its final rally. So for me, I think it is worth the risk. Now, right now, we're pretty much sitting at $13 million market cap. I'm going to buy pretty much once it gets to 12 million market cap, unless there's a quicker dip to like 11 and a half or 11, then I'll be purchasing there. But I think 11 million market cap, or sorry, 12 million market cap is a fantastic area because I'm pretty much playing into this candle over here. Now, even if it goes a little bit lower, I don't really care because it shouldn't go much lower than that. So we'll just draw this up very quickly. So pretty much, right, it's going to retest off this purple box. And if we just take it from where I want to purchase it, where I think it's a great area to buy, right, let's say around 12 million, going back to the previous all-time highs, you're making an 8x profit. Okay, so 9 times your money. And probably with the first expansion, I would not be surprised if we hit 300 to $400 million market cap before we have a big sell-off, which would be a 32x profit. So if you put in $1,000, you would be expecting to make around $32,000 profit. So you'll be there with $33,000 before we would have a big sell-off and respect the previous all-time high. So that is just what I truly believe, right? I truly do believe that pretty much, if I draw this up very, very quickly, if I could just find the marker, that we will be chilling. So once we just draw it up, right, we'll be going expanding. Then we're going to be doing its thing. Boom, 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 sell off, going something like this. And then in a couple months, we're going to have one more expansion, which I believe will be leading to that $1 billion market cap area, which would be absolutely fantastic because even just to $1 billion in market cap, right, 82x. Now, if we do hit that 1.20 billion, almost 100x, you see, I truly do believe it's possible. If we quickly go look at other coins that have been popping off or also have potential, if we go to like Turbo, for example, right, we go to Turbo. Right now it's at 250 million market cap. However, if we go to Turbo here, right, boom, we can see where it was previously in terms of market cap. It was all the way at market cap at 676 million. And the previous all-time high was around 210. So it went from 210 to 667. And now look, it does have a different pattern, yes, but it also came out at different times. The context is different. But from a 200 million market cap, it went up 3x, almost 4x. And it would have gone a little bit higher if it weren't for the Bitcoin sell-off, right? So that's the thing. This coin probably could have went up a little bit higher to the 750, 800 million market cap, but then Bitcoin started to sell off itself, which obviously dragged down the price. And then Turbo itself broke structure and has been selling off ever since then. So, right, if we go from 200 to pretty much 700, we could definitely go from 110 to 400 million market cap. And this is what I genuinely believe, right? And now the thing is, if we look at something like Solama, right? If we go to Solama, it is not listed on any big exchange. No Coinbase, right? No Binance, no even crypto.com, no BitGet. There's still so many exchanges for it to be listed on. So you really have to think about it, right? You are in this coin extremely early. Now, this is going to be my meme coin where I put a, like I said, bigger bag, high risk, high reward, which I don't think it's going to be that much high risk, to be honest, especially that I'm buying near the bottoms. But this is the bag that even if I put $5,000 in it, I believe it can make me $500,000. I've never been so serious in my life. Guys, don't be afraid. Remember, I got to always say this legally. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do think I made a great point for Solama. Has lots of potential. It is at a price where you pretty much want to start buying, and only time will tell, ladies and gentlemen. But I do believe this is a sleeper pick. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.